If you're searching for a serious upgrade to your professional display setup, this is the kind of projector that deserves attention. And if you're ready to purchase this SONY WUXGA 6400LM laser projector, you'll find the direct buying link in the description below with the latest pricing details. This projector is engineered for environments where image quality, brightness, and dependability are non-negotiable. We're talking about corporate boardrooms, university lecture halls, training centers, auditoriums, and large event venues. It's built to perform consistently in demanding situations where lower-end models simply fall short. Let's start with what immediately stands out: 6,400 lumens of brightness. That level of output allows the projector to perform exceptionally well even in rooms with significant ambient light. You don't need blackout curtains or completely dark spaces to maintain a vivid and readable image. Whether you're displaying financial data, high-resolution images, or full-motion video, the visuals remain bold and clear. The WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 offers another key advantage. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, you gain additional vertical screen space compared to standard 1080p displays. That extra height makes spreadsheets, documents, and presentation slides easier to read. Small fonts stay sharp, and fine details remain intact. In professional settings, that clarity can significantly enhance communication. One of the biggest benefits here is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors that require regular bulb replacements, laser technology is designed for long-term operation. Many laser systems are rated for up to 20,000 hours of use. That translates into lower maintenance costs and fewer disruptions. For businesses or institutions running presentations daily, this reliability is a major advantage. Image consistency is another strength. Over time, traditional lamps can dim or shift in color accuracy. Laser projection maintains brightness and color stability much longer. That means presentations look consistent from day 1 to year 3. Branding materials retain accurate colors, and video content appears balanced and natural. Installation flexibility also plays a huge role. This projector can be mounted in various configurations depending on your room layout. Ceiling installation is common in conference rooms and lecture halls, but the system supports versatile positioning. Lens shift and keystone correction features help align the image precisely without distortion, giving installers more room to adapt to different environments. Connectivity is essential in professional environments, and this projector is designed to integrate smoothly into modern AV systems. It works seamlessly with laptops, media players, and centralized control systems. Whether you're running scheduled corporate presentations or live events, the setup process remains straightforward. Noise levels are another important factor. In environments where focus is critical, excessive fan noise can be distracting. Laser projectors are engineered to operate efficiently, helping maintain quieter performance during extended sessions. That ensures attention remains on the content rather than the equipment. Now think about real-world use. In a corporate setting, stakeholders need to see detailed graphs and analytics clearly from every seat in the room. In educational spaces, students at the back of a lecture hall must read text and diagrams without straining. In event venues or houses of worship, projected visuals must remain bright even when lights are partially on. With 6,400 lumens, this projector handles those challenges confidently. While laser projectors typically require a higher upfront investment, they often deliver better long-term value. Reduced maintenance, extended lifespan, and stable brightness performance contribute to lower total ownership costs over time. For organizations focused on efficiency and durability, that makes a measurable difference. Overall, this SONY WUXGA 6400LM laser projector combines high brightness, sharp resolution, and dependable performance into one professional-grade solution. If you're planning to upgrade your presentation system or equip a large venue with reliable display technology, this is a strong contender. If you're interested in purchasing, check the link in the description below to secure the best available deal.